Hi, I am Riya Bhatt. I came from Rajkot and I am student at Brandveda Institute. I did my BCom from Rajkot, and after that I did a job in sales department, but really I was not enjoying that. So I was searching on Google for some short-term digital marketing courses. After that I got to know about Brandveda from my elder brother, and he is telling me that Brandveda is a very well-known in Ahmedabad city. So I chose Brandveda. After currently it's been 6 months that I am learning and doing digital marketing under the guidance of Saurav sir. He is such an inspirational personality. I came from different background, but the way he taught us in-depth knowledge, it's truly commendable. He also provided a practical knowledge about all the tools and all the skill sets and hands-on experience in real world case studies. It's been a really transformative journey for me. So choosing Brandveda is one of the best decisions that I ever made for my future career. And if you really want to make your career and skillful in digital marketing, please join Brandveda. Choose Brandveda and you will never regret.